انتقاد پیرفی. من میخواستم از مسئولین دولت جمهوری اسلامی تقاضا کنم این انقلاب به بهای خون هزاران شهید به ثمر رسیده. اجازه ندن یه سری اوباش و اخلالگر توی روند کار دولت
خشونت محو شده. لذا باید از این اجتناب کرد. الان مهمترین دغدغه ما بحث حفظ منافع ملی ما و حفظ امنیت ملی باید باشه. همین چیزی که در احساس میکنه منافع ملی و امنیت ملیمون به خطر میفته باید ازش اجتناب کنیم.
به سمت پل کریم خان زند راهپیمایی کردند. در این راهپیمایی حامیان آقای موسوی پلاکاردهایی در حمایت از نامزد مورد نظرشون در دست داشتند.
They are doing something that has not been done for 30 years. The people were quiet for 30 years. They were shut down and their voice would not be heard in anywhere else. But now is the time that their voice is being heard in all of the world.
Deep in our heart, we're sad about what happened in Iran, and everyone in the whole world knows that what happened during the elections, it was not right. We know that, and what Iranian people are doing in Iran is right. I think if I was there too, I wish I was there right now, so I could go to the streets like the other youth and shout for freedom.